Hey, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about another special topic. 9 psychological tricks make a woman want you. This will also help for girls to get their love interest. So without wasting you time in here, let's go to the inside to this beautiful topic. Number 1, be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Be true to who you are and let your genuine personality shine. Be yourself is not only a trick to make someone want you, it's a fundamental principle of building genuine and healthy relationships. Trying to be someone you're not to, make someone like you, is not a sustainable or ethical approach. Instead, being yourself means being authentic, honest, and true to your own values, interests, and personality. When you are genuine, you attract people who are genuinely interested in you for who you are, not for the persona you've created. Inauthenticity can lead to trust issues and ultimately harm a relationship. It's essential to be comfortable with who you are, and if someone is interested in you, it should be for your true self. Building a connection with someone who appreciates your authenticity can lead to a more fulfilling and long-lasting relationship. Trying to trick someone into wanting you is not a healthy approach and can lead to disappointment for both parties. Number 2, show respect. Treat the person you're interested in with kindness and respect. Respect their boundaries and consent. It is the basic principle and ethical building block of any healthy relationship. Treating women with respect means treating them as individuals, acknowledging their flaws, and valuing their opinions and feelings. It involves listening to him, considering his needs and wants, and being kind and courteous. Respect is the foundation of trust and emotional security in a relationship. And it's something that should be genuine, not strategic. Truly respecting a woman can lead to mutual attraction and a solid foundation for a meaningful relationship. But it should always come from a place of honesty and not as a calculated strategy. Number 3, listen actively. Pay attention to what the other person says and show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. It is key to effective communication and genuine relationships. By actively listening, you show a woman that you value her thoughts and feelings. You participate in the conversation by giving it your full attention, making eye contact, nodding in understanding, and asking follow-up questions to dive deeper into the conversation. This not only demonstrates respect and empathy, but also builds rapport and emotional intimacy. Active listening is about hearing the meaning, not manipulating it, and is key to building trust and building a strong and authentic relationship with someone you like. Number 4, engage in meaningful conversations. Discuss shared interests, values, and experiences to build a deeper connection. Engaging in a meaningful conversation is not a gimmick, but a real way to connect with someone on a deeper level. When you take the time to have a meaningful conversation with a woman, you show her that you value her thoughts, feelings, and opinions. This creates emotional closeness and trust, which can be attractive. Meaningful conversation involves active listening, sharing your own experiences and ideas, and discussing issues that are important to both of you. By doing this, you create an environment where she feels heard, understood, and appreciated, which can naturally lead to a strong emotional connection and a genuine desire to be with you. Need to sincerely approach these conversations, and not as a strategy. That truth is essential in building good, lasting relationships with. Number 5, confidence, not arrogance. Confidence is attractive, But arrogance can be a turnoff. Believe in yourself without belittling others. Confidence, not arrogance, is an important quality that can make you more attractive to women. Confidence reflects confidence and a strong sense of self, which can be appealing because it means you're comfortable with who you are. When you exude confidence, you exude positive energy that can be contagious and make others feel comfortable around you. Pride, on the other hand, involves excessive self-importance and often disdain or contempt for others, which is basically passivity. Faith requires humility and the ability to acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses. It shows you're safe in your own skin and encourages open, meaningful communication, making women want to be with you more. Number 6. Practice good communication. Effective communication is key to any relationship. Express your thoughts and feelings honestly and listen to the other person. It's an integral part of any healthy and successful relationship. Effective communication involves listening, understanding, and expressing your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. Effective communication helps build trust, strengthens communication, and builds mutual understanding. In pursuing a companionship or romantic interest, demonstrating good communication skills means being a good listener, showing interest in his thoughts and feelings, and expressing your thoughts and feelings from the heart. Instead, prioritize open and honest communication as the cornerstone of a healthy relationship. Number 7. Shared interests. Find common hobbies or activities to enjoy together and create shared memories. It's important to be clear that sharing interests shouldn't be viewed as a trick that someone wants you to do. Rather, it is a very real and organic way of observing and connecting with someone. Shared interests are valuable in building relationships because they allow for meaningful interaction. When you find that you both enjoy similar hobbies, activities, or passions, it can create opportunities to spend quality time together. Have interesting conversations and develop a sense of camaraderie. The key is to really connect things of this mutual interest and the relationship to grow naturally, not to be manipulated. Forming connections based on mutual passions and shared experiences can lead to a deeper and more fulfilling relationship with someone you admire. Number 8. Be supportive. Offer support and encouragement in the pursuit of their goals and dreams. This is key to building healthy and meaningful communication. Being a helper involves genuinely caring for, encouraging, and helping someone through life's challenges. By providing emotional support, you show that you are a caring and reliable partner. However, it is important to give help unselfishly and without expecting anything in return. Real emotional support needs to come from a place of honesty and empathy, and not as an exploitative tactic. The best way to build a strong and lasting relationship with someone is to really be there for them in their time of need and celebrate their success, not as a means to an end, but because you genuinely care about their welfare. Number 9. Give space. Respect their need for personal space and time. Healthy relationships include independence and individual growth. It is key to maintaining a healthy and balanced relationship. Giving someone permission means respecting their need for independence, personal time, and personal growth. It's about understanding that both partners in a relationship should have their own interests, friendships, and time for each other. By giving them space, you show that you respect their autonomy, which can lead to a closer relationship because they will be free to be themselves. However, It is important to use this not as an exploitative tactic, but as a genuine expression of care and respect for the person you are interested in. Building communication based on honesty and mutual understanding is the foundation of a healthy, long-term relationship. Remember that there's no guaranteed way to make someone want you, as attraction is a complex and personal matter. Building a connection based on trust, respect, and genuine feelings is the best approach to forming a meaningful relationship. So this is the end of our video. I hope in this video you get some idea about relationships and how it works. And also, the most important thing is how to make someone want you. As we mentioned before, there is no guarantee that these things are worked. In relationships, the important thing is trust. So try to make a trustworthy relationship and improve it. If you have any other ideas, feel free to put them into the comment box and share them with others. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, bye. Stay happy.